To see or update your profile, click your name link in the Help Corner navigation. If you have not previously changed your profile settings, the page will look somewhat generic. To start updating, click the Edit Profile button on the right side of the browser. The first option is to update your display name and title. Click in each text box and type in your preferred text. We will cover ways to contact me later in this tutorial when we visit the Personal Account Settings page. The next area to update is the biography, or the bio. Here you will give a brief description of yourself that you want to share with students and others. The links area allows you to share links to websites and resources of interest to you. Just remember that links are part of your global profile and will be seen across all classes and in all people lists. Once you have updated your profile settings, click the Save Profile button located at the bottom of the page. Your updated profile will be shown. You can add or further edit your profile at any time following the same process.